How to get repost button on your TikTok. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get the repost button on your TikTok. The very first step is to launch your TikTok and see if you have the repost button or not. So if you don't have, then you can follow the following steps right here. One thing that you can do is go and long press on your TikTok and clear all the cache and clear all the data from your TikTok. After you do that and still the problem is not solving, then now what you need to check is go on the Google Play Store and see if your TikTok is updated to the latest version or not. When you tap TikTok and try to install it, so it's not updated. So what you need to do is just update your TikTok to its latest version. So even after you have updated it and the problem is still showing, then the very last option that you can follow is go on your TikTok, go on the top setting bar, scroll down and down, tap on report a problem option. Now from here, you can just tap on submit a report and then describe your problem right here. And you can also attach some of the photos or videos right here and submit it to the TikTok, and the TikTok will send you feedback after a few days. And that's how you can solve your problem. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.